Assalamualaikum. As we have started the chapter yesterday, that is the basic geometry, chapter number 10, that is the chapter number 10 of D1. So we have discussed some of the topic that are the intersecting lines, vertically opposite angle, supplementary angle. But now it's time to discuss one more concept, that is called the complementary angles. As we have discussed about the supplementary angle are those angles when we are adding those all the angles, then that will be equals to 180 degree. But when we are talking about the complementary angle, so if we are having a 90 degree angle like this, we all know that is a sign of the 90 degree, and this angle has distributed or has separated from a line, and a few angles like this is a 40 degree angle and this is a 50 degree angle we are making. So this 50 degree angle is called the complementary angle of this 40 degree, and this 40 degree angle will call the complementary angle of this 50 degree. As similarly, sometimes in the questions of the book they are saying that for example, they are saying in the question 36 degree is a question, and they are asking about the complementary angle of this 36 degree. So what should we do? We have to minus only this 36 degree from the 90, and then you will get the answer, that is the 54 degree. So what we can do? We can make again the angle, and we can say this is a 54 degree and this is a 36 degree. So 36 degree can be the complementary angle of this 54 degree, and this 54 degree can be the complementary angle of this 36 degree. So that is a very simple concept. If they are saying about the complementary angle, then what you have to do, you have to minus the given angle from the 90, and if they are saying about the supplementary angles, so what you have to do, you have to minus that angle. Suppose if they are saying then find out the supplementary angle of 46 degree, so what should you do? 180 minus 46 degree, that is equals to 134 degree. So you can say 134 degree is a supplementary angle of this 46 degree. If we are talking about the supplementary angle, the supplementary angle is equals to 180 degree and one of the angle is 134. So 134 degree and 46 degree. They are supposed to say that 46 degree is a complementary angle of the 134, and 134 degree can be the supplementary angle of 46 degree. The similar type of the question are present in our book in exercise 10A. So as we have discussed about the complementary angle, so what you have to do, you have to minus 18 degree from 90 degree and you will get the angle that they are asking about, the complementary angle. As similar, we are having the supplementary angle they are asking in question number 4. So 36, 12, 102 and 177 degree can be subtracted from the 180 degree to find the answer of this question. So question number 3 and question number 4, they are very basic questions. If we are proceeding toward the question number 5. In question number 5, they are giving us 4 parts. Given that AOB is a straight line, find the value of the unknown in each of the following figures. So we have to see the figure first. See this figure A. AB is a straight line. AOB is a straight line. On this line we are having A and 33. So as we have discussed earlier about the supplementary angle, so whenever the straight line has distributed in 2 or more than 2 angles, so such type of the angles are called the supplementary angle. and this is A and 33 degree, and AOB is a straight line as given in a question. So how can we solve this question? We can solve this question as question number 5 of A part. So we can draw the figure. What they are saying, one of the angle is 33 degree and the other is A degree. What we have to do? Statement that is called the equation, as we know that A degree plus 33 degree can be equals to 180 degree because they are supplementary angles. As they are supplementary angle, then this 33 degree will be shifted to the other side to make it minus. Whenever we are shifting any number to the other side of the equation, so it will change its sign. It had the positive sign previously, but when it has shifted toward the other side of the equation, it has changed its sign. So the value of A will be 147 degree. So what they have asked, they were asking that there is a straight line AOB and this is C. So this is a line AOB, and this straight line has distributed in two parts. One of the part is 33 degree and the other part having the degree A, that is the unknown one, and they are asking to find the value of the unknown part. Basically the unknown part is the variable. How to make the equation of this figure? As we are having the straight line always having the sum of their angle is equals to 180 degree because they are equal to supplementary angle 180 degree. So what we have to do? We have to shift 33 degree to the other side and we will get the answer, that is 147 degree. That is the required answer. This is the A part of question number 5.